Hello everyone, this is the continuation of the extended hip blazer that we drafted the other day. Okay, so this is the sewing process. Let us start sewing. If you have not subscribed, please try and subscribe, like and drop your comment. Okay, so this is how you're going to sew it. So you can see how I opened it. I've joined the back together. Now this is the side, one of the side back. You sew like this. Okay, I'm just pinning them. Look at it, I've pinned it. I pinned the both side. I did the same thing on the front. So this is the center front and the side front. I did the same thing on the front. So now I'm going to my sewing machine. Now I'll go and sew it. Sew and iron it, and I'll bring it back. You do the same thing on the lining. Whatever you are doing here, you're going to do it on the lining. So this is it. I've sewn it. So this is the lining that I'm using to show you now. I've sewn everything. Now you're going to join them. So you're going to join the lining, join the side. You join the two sides, then you join the shoulder. You're going to do the same thing on the main fabric. So this is the lining I'm using to show you. You join the shoulder. I give it a very good press. Look at it. I have joined it. I have ironed it too. And I've ironed it too. I did the same thing on the front piece. So look at the front piece. I joined the side, joined the shoulder. Okay. Now we are going to join both the lining and fabric. So just keep it this way. You get the back. You know the back have a line which is the center. So join the two center together, and then you sew. Sew the two sides. That is the neck area. Just sew it. So you're going to do the same thing on this side. Hold it very well, and then so you can pin it and sew straight. So I'm just showing you where to sew. Now we are going to sew the side, the buttonhole area, button allowance, but not now. You first of all sew the down part. Okay. You're going to sew the hem area. That is the down part of it. Arrange your lining very well. Just watch what I am doing now. You're going to arrange your lining like this, and then you sew the down part. After sewing, sew the button area. You're going to sew it. After sewing, then sew the two opening sides. That is the button allowance area. That is, or you go and iron it. Just sew round. Then you go and iron. So I've sewn my own and I've ironed. Remember, our lining is shorter than our main fabric. So after sewing it, when you iron it, there is no way the lining will pop out. The lining will never come out because it's shorter. Okay. So and I've fixed one sleeve. I'm going to show you how to fix the other one with lining. I'm going to show you how to fix the second one. Okay. So just sew your lining on your fabric, round, iron, fix your sleeve. So let me show you how to fix your sleeve. You get your sleeve. Now place your lining like this. Remember, our lining is shorter than our main fabric. You sew that area, then fold it this way. Now this is how to sew. Please, you will measure what you have on your armhole in your main fabric. Make sure it's equal with the one in your sleeve. Okay. I'm making use of 10 inches. So make sure your sleeve is 10 inches and this, your round sleeve in your fabric, this thing is 10 inches. Then on your armhole, here is to also be 10 inches. So measure the same 10 inches on your lining, okay? Make sure the armhole on your dress is 10 inches, please. So if both of them are equal, if you sew it, we'll just fix it straight. So now we are going to sew like this. So like this. So when you get to your wrist, you measure your wrist. Mine is 10. So I'm going to do 5. Then you sew. When you get to your lining, please don't sew the way you sew on your fabric, because give space more. Let your lining be free. Then you continue. Sew it to your 10 inches there. Then you turn. Okay, this is how to fix it. You're going to pick the place you sew. Then pick it this way, then place it together and pin it round. So you're going to pin it round. Pin it till you go round. Okay? So this is I've pinned it round. Just turn it out. Pin it round. Then now I'm going to sew. I'm going to sew. If you are pinning, you notice that you can no more pin round. You turn it inside out. Just turn it out. Then this is it. I've sewn it. Now I'm going to show you how to fix the lining on. Now for your lining, you are going to pick the same place. The joining area, the side join. You see where I open. So that is where I'm going to turn it out from. So you're going to pick it. Just watch closely. You pick it like this, front side facing front side. Look at it. Just pick your sleeve and your side. Front side facing front side. You join them. The two places that you sew, that is where you join together. Front side facing front side. Just drag it out. Hold it very well, As you are dragging it out, make sure you hold it so that your hand will not remove. Then you're going to pin. Just pin them round. If you're pinning them round, you notice that you can no more pin it. Just turn it out. Turn everything out so that you can see space to pin it round. Just watch what I'm going to do here. I will do it here. Look at it. You'll be bringing it out, arranging it, and be pinning. It's not easy, but you have to do it. Just calm down, relax your mind, and do it. This is not something you do hurry. If you do hurry, you make mistake. And please, always make sure you use your pin, or it will help you. Don't just sew. Just use your pin to make sure what you are pinning is accurate. Make sure it goes round. Look at it, I've pinned it round. Now I'm going to my sewing machine to sew it. So after sewing it, this is what I have. Okay, let me turn it so that you see it very well. This is what I have. This is the side I sew now. Look at this opening. You are just going to use invisible stitches to tack it, or you go to your sewing machine and sew it. Okay, let's go to your sewing machine. When you stitch there, it will close. So this is it, and this is the other part. This is the lining. This is inseam finishing. So thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I'm trying to mark the button. I will be adding 3 or 4 buttons here. I'm trying to look at the place that I'll put my button. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.